Hi, good morning, children. Today we are going to study about drying factory, fish drying factory. Okay. Then I think you know what is dried fish, isn't it? Dried fish, all of you know, isn't it? Then someone have very like that or others not like. Okay, that is not a problem. We can take here how is drying that fish and what are the expenses and how much money earned from that. Okay. Yes, listen here. If we when we buy a fresh fish, the weight of that fresh fish is decreasing when we drying that. If we dry the fresh fish, then weight of that dry fish becomes decreasing than the fresh fish. If the fresh fish is 6 kilogram, 6 kilogram fresh fish, when we are going to buy 6 kilogram fresh fish, and if we dried that fresh fish, that 6 kilogram dry fresh fish is going to dry, then that will becomes reduced, one third of that fresh fish becomes reduced, and it becomes one third of its reduced means one third of 6 kilogram is reduced into dried fish. Then one third of 6 means that is 2 kilogram. So when we buy 6 kilogram fresh fish and if we dried that, becomes that 6 kilogram becomes 2 kilogram dried fish. But the cost of fresh fish is shorter than the cost of dried fish. That means the cost of dried fish is more than the cost of fresh fish. If the cost of fresh fish is 50 or 20, cost of fresh fish is 20 rupees, and when we dried that fresh fish, we will get it for that dried fish, we will get it, or cost of dried fish becomes 70 or 80 or 90. Listen, okay, did you understand? When we are going to buy the fresh fish and then we have to give 20 per kg. 20 per kg. But after drying that fish or that dried fish, when we are going to sell, then we will get it 70 rupees per kilogram. Then what is the difference in that, children? 50 rupees difference means that 50 rupees our earnings. That 50 rupees our profit. Okay, when we are buying the fresh fish, and that means 2 kilo 6 kilogram, the cost of, listen here, 70, that is per kilogram. Per 1 kilogram we will get it 50 rupees. Or cost of fresh fish 6 kilogram means the cost of fresh fish for 6 kilogram. Fresh fish for 6 kilogram, that means 6 into 20. That is 6 into 20 means 120 rupees. And when we are going to sell that dried fish, cost of that 6 kilogram dried fish becomes 2 kilogram, isn't it? Then cost of 2 kilogram, or we get earnings from 2 kilogram dried fish is, what is the cost of dried fish? 70, isn't it? 70 per kg for dried kilo. So 2 into 70, that means 140. 2 into 70, that is 140. 6 kilogram cost of fresh fish, that is 6 kilogram, that 20 rupees. Then we want to pay 120 rupees. And if that earnings from that 2 kilogram dried fish means that we want to pay, if 70 rupees, that is the cost of, or we will earnings from that dried fish 70 rupees, and that the weight of that dried fish is 2 kilogram, isn't it? So 2 into 70, that is 140 rupees. Then that is difference in that, isn't it? Likewise, look here. That means the weight of the dried fish is 1/3 of the fresh fish, but cost means that is cost is increasing than the fresh fish. Look here children, can come to the textbook. Look here, here saying when fresh fish is dried it becomes 1/3 of its weight, and in 1 month they plan to, in 1 month that women fisher ladies they are already planned to drying the fresh fish, and in 1 month they plan to dry 6,000 kilogram of fresh fish. And how much dried fish will they get in a month? A 1/3 of 6 kilogram. When we already seen, when we buy 6 kilogram fresh fish, that will becomes into 1/3 of that 6 kilogram means 2 kilogram, isn't it? But here they are planned to buy 6,000 fresh fish, and they, when they dried that fresh fish, that becomes 1/3 of that 6,000, that becomes 2,000, isn't it? So you can write it here 2,000. Then question, how much dried fish will they get in a month? That is 2,000. Okay. And next one, Florama. Let us first calculate for 6 kilogram fresh fish. We can find out for 6 kilogram instead of 6,000. First we can calculate for 6 kilogram. Look here. By fresh fish cost of fresh fish is rupees 15 per kilogram, and dried fish is 70 per kilogram. Then 15 and 70. And we dry 6 kilogram fresh fish to get dash kilogram dried fish. If we 6 kilogram fresh fish, that will becomes to 2 kilogram when we are drying that, isn't it? Then you can write it here 2 kilogram of dried fish. And next, for 6 kilogram fresh fish we have to pay, how much rupees we want to pay for 6 kilogram fresh fish children? For 6 kilogram fresh fish, here cost of fresh fish is equal to, look here, fresh fish is equal to 15 rupees, isn't it? Then cost of amount paid to 6 kilogram fresh fish is equal to 6 into 15. What is 6 into 15 children? 6 5s are 30, 1 6 are 690 rupees. So cost for 6 kilogram fresh fish is 90 rupees. Okay. Then how much kilogram dried fish you will get it? From this 6 kilogram you will get it 2 kilogram, isn't it? Then price or money earned from dried fish is equal to, what is the cost of dried fish children? 70, isn't it? 70 rupees. Then how much kilogram dried fish you got it? 2 kilogram from 6 kilogram, isn't it? So 2 into 70. 2 into 70. Before that you can write the cost of dried fish. Cost of dried fish, that is 70. And we can earn from 2 kilogram or from 6 kilogram fresh fish, you will get it 2 into 70, 140 rupees you will get it, isn't it? From how much rupees earned from this? You already give 90 rupees, you already give for fresh fish. That you have to subtract, otherwise that is not a earnings, isn't it? You got, when you sold this dried fish in the market, you got it 140 rupees, isn't it? And that 140 rupees means that you have to pay 90 rupees for fresh fish, isn't it? So you have to subtract that from that, and other charges also that we are coming on that way. Yes, earned from 6 kilogram is equal to 146 kilogram fresh fish. Okay, fresh fish is equal to 140 minus 90 rupees. How much rupees he earned? Rupees 50 earned from the 6 kilogram fresh fish. And if they are going to, first they are take 6,000, they planned to 6,000 kilogram fresh fish. And if they are, then how much money earned from the 6,000 kilogram fresh fish? Money earned from 6,000 kilogram fresh fish is equal to, here 6, isn't it? Then how much rupees he would have got it? 50 rupees got it for 6 kilogram. Then 6,000 kilogram means into 1000, isn't it? For 6 kilogram 50 rupees. Then 6,000 kilogram, then you want to multiply 50 into 1000. Then how much he got it? 50,000 already got it. 50,000 already got it. And I told you some more expenses they have to meet related with this. Related with this drying work. Okay, listen here for that purpose. That also they are telling, look here. Here the Jens is telling, I found that 6,000 kilogram fish, we would need 1,500 kilogram salt every month. Its price is rupees 2 per kg. So when they are going to dry that fresh fish, they have to add some salt also. You know the taste of that dried fish, isn't it? That is salty taste, isn't it? So they want to add some salt on that. So here telling for 6,000 kilogram fresh fish they need 1,500 kilogram salt also needed. So and what is the price of that salt, children? 2 per kg, that is 2 rupees per kg, isn't it? Then look here, then already they make the profit 50,000, okay? And they needed salt also. The cost of salt is rupees 2, and salt needed or kilogram of salt needed. How much kilogram salt needed, children? 1,500 kilogram, isn't it? 1,500 kilogram salt is needed for 6,000 kilogram fresh fish for drying. Okay. So 1,500 kilogram salt. Then how much rupees for that expense? What is the expense in salt, children? Expense of salt. That is 1,500 into 2. That is 3,000. And one more expenses in that. If that drying fish is already, that is ready, and we have to take into the market, isn't it? So other charges for also for that. What is that we want to package, we want to pack it, that isn't it? Then packing charges and we want to reach that in the market. So that prices also, that bus charges also. So packing charges and bus charges also they are telling how much rupees packing and bus charges, that is also 3,000. So that also you have to write it there. Expense for packing and bus charges. Packing and traveling. Packing and traveling, that is how much rupees, children? 3,000 rupees. So what is the expenses in related to this drying fish, children? That is we already buy the fresh fish, and we already, that is how much rupees get it from the fresh fish for after drying, isn't it? After dried fish we already got it for 6,000 kilogram fresh fish, 50,000 we already got it. But some expenses also met for drying function, isn't it? Then what are that is the salt needed and packing and other expenses also, that is traveling expenses also they have to meet. So 1,500 rupees for per kg at rupees 2, and that is 3,000 needed for that, and packing and other also 3,000. So 6,000, these 3,000 and 3,000, 6,000 already, that is the expenses. So that expenses also they have to subtract from this 50,000. This is already get it, isn't it? But they take this amount from their pocket. This 6,000 they already take from their pocket. So they have to subtract this. Okay. So 6,000, 50,000 minus then profit or money earned from the 6,000 kilogram fresh fish is equal to 50,000 minus 6,000. How much rupees, children? 44,000. So they will get it 44,000 from 6,000 kilogram fresh fish. Okay. Yes. Then next, all of you listen here. Then you know how is getting this 1/3. We already told if the fresh fish becomes, that is after dried fish, that will the weight will be decreased 1/3 of that. What is 1/3? 1/3, look here, 1/3 of 6, you know, that is 2. That means 6/3. 6/3, how many times 3 goes in 6? That is 2 times. Then 1/3 of 9, that is 3. 1/3 of 24, that is 24 divided by 3. How many times 3 goes in 24? That is 8, isn't it? And 1/3 of 300. 1/3 of 300, 300 by 3, that is 100. Okay? Yes. Yes. Next, I will give you one homework. Homework, children, write it. Cost of fresh fish, write in the homework. Cost of fresh fish, 15 per kg, 15 rupees, 15 per kg. Cost of dried fish, or price earned from the dried fish, that is 80. Cost of fresh fish, you can write it here, 20. 20. Cost of fresh fish, rupees 20 per kg, and cost of dried fish, 80 per kg, and cost of salt, 3 rupees 3. Packing charge and traveling, packing and traveling charges, 4,000. 4,000, children. 4,000. Then salt needed. Fresh fish, 15 kilogram. Fresh fish needed. Fresh fish, 15 kilogram. Instead of, we already 4-6 kilogram we already find out, isn't it? Here fresh fish, the weight of fresh fish, that is 15 kilogram. Weight of fresh fish, that is 15 kilogram. And salt needed. How much kilogram? 1,800. Okay. 1,800 kilogram. Okay, already given here. How much fresh fish needed? That is 15 kilogram fresh fish needed. And cost of fresh fish is 20 per kilogram. And cost of dried fish, that means cost of dried fish means that when we are selling into the market, then we will get it 80. Okay, we are selling for this much, or sale of dried fish, sale of dried fish. Then next, cost of salt 3 rupees, and packing and charge, that is 4,000 rupees, and salt needed 1,800 kilogram. Okay, that is homework, children. Then next, one more in that. What is that? 61,250 divided by 12. Okay, that also. Then you can find out what is 1/3 of 15, 1/3 of 30, 1/3 of 30, 1/3 of 45, 1/3 of 75. Okay, that is enough. Next day we can study about the shapes and angles, children. What are the shapes? You know, different types of shapes, isn't it? Figures, you know, squares, rectangles, triangles, and square and rectangle, pentagon, hectagon, octagon. Okay, that we can study next class. And we have to study about the angles also. Okay, then 90-degree angle, below 90-degree angle, more than 90-degree angle, straight angle, reflex angle, that we can study on next day. Okay.